and we start with an unusual art form. While Bertie Mitchell may wear the grubby overalls of your average builder, the only thing he's been building is an impressive portfolio of drywall art. Using only drywall compounds, he slowly creates wonderful works of art. There's a mesmerizing quality to watching Bernie work, painstakingly carving out trees, rocks and wolves to finish his image. And plenty of people were held captive by his creative process, as thousands tuned in to see what he could do. So really, he's building audiences as well as walls.